Damn, this motherfucker look good. Oh my goodness. Coming to the street soon. Coming to the YouTube, it's your boy 302 back with another video, man. And right now we outside. This is my boy Yote right here. He just brought it. Dr. D, you know, aka Crazy Dave, aka, you know, man, just be going crazy. But yeah, as you see, this is Yote he just brought right here. See, it's a little beat up and stuff like that. I'm actually making this video and he don't even know I'm making it. But what I'm gonna do is a transformation. Now he's on his way here now to come get the car and do things to it, but I'm just giving you a little before and after. This video, this is a secret video. He don't know I'm making it. I'm gonna record his progress and not even tell him, like a before and after. You know, it's a little rough. It got a little issues and stuff like that. Which, you know, I'm gonna record his progress. I'm not gonna let him know I'm recording, nothing like that. I'm gonna keep it a secret. This is between me and YouTube. This is it. But yeah, this is the whip right now. This is how it looks right now. It's a little beat up. But it ain't nothing my boy can't handle. It ain't nothing he can't handle. Ain't nothing he can't do to get it back right. We good. Look, got a little spider webs and stuff. You know, it's how it go. It's how it go. Things happen. So he got him a Yote. I'm proud of my boy. I'm proud he back in the game. He about to get back right. I ain't gonna be the only one out here slaying. Got my man with me, so you know. Make sure I'm gonna make him start a YouTube channel too. Make sure y'all well, when I get his YouTube channel and stuff, I'm gonna let y'all know. But right now we just, like I said, this is just how the car looks right now. We're gonna be doing some before and after clips and stuff like that. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. It's your boy 302. I'm just, you know, keeping the progress, keeping my, you know, I'm gonna keep my man on track. I'm gonna make sure he stay right. This car probably gonna look totally different, like a completely different car when he get done with it. But right now, this is where we at. Good on camera too. Wee. Coming soon. Coming to a street near you soon. That motherfucker look, them lights look amazing on that bitch, nigga. Coming to the street soon. He gonna be out here soon to get at y'all boys. Back from the dead, nigga. Back from the dead. Huh? Oh shit. Oh yeah, let me get the bitches, nigga. Oh. You done put carbon fiber in this bitch. Let me see the inside of that motherfucker. This nigga got carbon fiber on the steering wheel. Woo-wee. All in here and shit. Damn, this motherfucker look good. Oh my goodness. Coming to the street soon. Coming to the street soon. Fuck my 1320 shit, man. They popped the hood on that motherfucker. I'm scared for you to touch that bitch. Man, I hope it stay on. I can't believe it came up. Yeah, let that motherfucker do it. Oh my God, them rims are good. I like this shit better than mine. My shit ain't been clean in so long, I forgot how they look. It's nice to see what I can do. Oh yeah. Ooh, the carbon fiber. Ooh. Why you put it on? Oh yeah, it's gonna be lit. 5500 hood. 2020. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's gonna finish that off in the back. That's definitely gonna finish that off. That shit look amazing. Like for real, for real.
Nigga, you spent too much money on cute shit. I already made this bitch cute, nigga.
That's secondary, because this shit right here already hard. That's all this secondary shit. I'm like,
My man got the carbon fiber in the inside. Let's check out the inside. Oh, look at that, boy. Oh, look at the carbon fiber. You got the carbon fiber everywhere up in here. That's beautiful. I might do like, let me know if I should do this on the balls. Put it in the comments if I should do the carbon fiber on the balls. He got the carbon fiber everywhere up on here. Look beautiful, man. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Man, ain't got no gas in this bitch. Beautiful though, beautiful though. Oh yeah, let me know if y'all should do that. Put it down in the comments if I should do that in the balls. If I should do that in the balls, let me know. Hey, put that in the back. Let me get visual with that. Send them up nice and neat. That boy Rick was trying to kill me for these bitches. Oh, this is gonna look so good on the balls, boy. Oh yeah. Hey, look, these retail at about what, 1,500? Yeah. Which is like damn near 700 a piece. Oh yeah. It's gonna look good on that boss. Nah, this shit gonna be hard. Them lights hard. I didn't even like them. They look good.
I did like them at first.
They look good though. They look good for real. Yeah, them shits look hard. I don't know. They look better on this car than they do on most. Most cars I see they don't look that good, but yeah. Nah, that shit look hard. Hit one of the signal lights. Signal lights do the little signal light thing. Oh! Yeah, that shit hard. That shit hard for reals. I fuck with it. Hell no.
Can I bless y'all with boy?
I'm about to say shit. It's on you.
I ain't gonna never stop next. You got to put up now.
I ain't gonna never stop for no content. Hey, close that trunk so my lights don't fall out the back and I'll be.
Hey, back at it again. Use some wheel liners for red, nigga. I see too much engine bay open right here.
That boy crazy, Dave.
Let me get on my car page.
Hey, take it easy in that bitch, man. I'm scared of this man.
Beast, nigga.
This man crazy, boy. That's crazy Dave for you right there. That boy crazy as hell. For real, for real. Woo! That nigga crazy. Hey, that bitch look good, man. Hey, that bitch. Hey.
That's how I was sounding, nigga. It's weird when you're not in that bitch no more.
Oh shit. That man crazy, man. Oh shit. That motherfucker hard, boy. Hey, once you get it painted in there, that bitch gonna be nasty. That shit is hard. Hey man, once you get this shit painted, it's crazy. Crazy Dave. Oh yeah.
Shit to my dad's house or whatever, and I could be able to touch on it.
Man, nah, this shit, ooh wee. Look real nice up under there. It look real nice up under there, don't it, Mike?
I get rid of this once I get put the other one in this one.
Look real nice up under that motherfucker, don't it, Michael?
I was killing y'all niggas with this little setup. Killing y'all niggas.
Oh yeah, man. And when this shit get back on the street, it's gonna be crazy. When they get back on the street, it's gonna be crazy, boy. Crazy Dave. Crazy Dave, man. Had to.
Trust me, I'm mad I sold it, but I mean,
My man Crazy Dave had to show y'all a little something, you know, just getting a little content, man. Just getting a little content to the boss get back on the street. You know, we out here, got my boys out here with me. You know, we gonna come strong, man. We coming strong. Just to let y'all know, we coming strong. We gonna be back at it. We gonna be back at it. Stay tuned.
I don't know you, man. Look. I ain't like that my first time doing the burn out of the motherfucker automatically. I felt weird as hell, nigga.
Said put that motherfucker in 1 or 2, nigga.
Yeah, you know, I don't be knowing nothing, nigga. This bitch was in drive, nigga.
Nah, that shit was hard though. The smell of burnt, I love the smell of burnt rubber. This is a good little smell.
I ain't smelled that bitch for a little minute.
that's what I need.
Oh yeah, man. Check it out, man. Check us out. We gonna be back, man.
Motherfucking tires and shit.
We back in these streets, man. Back in these streets.
This shit got a decent trend on.
As you can see, YouTube, I got the 1314 tail lights right here. These will look good on the boss when I get it back. These will look good on the boss when I get it back. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the video. Let me know what y'all think. It's 302. I'm out.
Hey, this for the YouTube?
Yeah.
Hey, follow 302 Nightmare. Fucking like, subscribe, and that's it. Comment too, bitch.